पगार आहे ना त्या बायकांना वाटतं की नाही आम्हाला पगार नाही झाला तरी चालेल, आणि जे घराचे जे करतात ना त्यांना घरं कमी आहेत ना तर त्यांना वाटतं आम्हाला कॉर्पोरेशनचा पगार असावा. त्याच्यामुळे ना त्यांचा वाद चाललाय, काही कुणी सोडलंय का काही करतात.
ते सगळं झालं ते मला माहितीये. त्यांचा प्रश्न काय आहे? बरोबर. नाही नाही, मला काय पाहिजे, मला काय वाटतं हे विचारलं. त्या बायका, ही बाई, तो बाई कोणी विचारत नाही. सरू एक मिनिट, सरू तू बोलूच नकोस, तिने सांगू दे ना तिचं मत.
आपलंच काम चांगलं नाहीये कागदपत्राचं.
कसलं?
हे आपण जे करतो ना, आम्ही जे करतो ना ते काम चांगलं आहे. कॉर्पोरेशनचं एवढं नाहीये, म्हणजे
का कॉर्पोरेशनचं चांगलं नाहीये?
मग आता काय म्हणायचं? तसंच म्हणायचं.
नाही तसंच म्हणायचं असं नाही. तुला काय वाटतं ते स्पष्ट सांग.
अर्धच बोलले.
अर्ध का बोलले का बायका कामाला येतात सगळे, पगाराची आशा तुम्ही नाही केली, त्यांना नीट वेळेवर गाडी नाही, नीट बकेटी नाही, कोण बघायला देखरेखीला येत नाही. मग त्या बायका म्हणतात आम्हालाच बघायला नाही, कोणतं कसं काय काम करायचे असे म्हणतात आणि सोडून देतात.
माझं ते म्हणणं नाहीये तू स्वच्छचं काय अडचणी आहे ते कोणी विचारत नाही. जी कागदवाली बाई, तू आधी कागद विचारतेस का?
मी नव्हते आधी.
See, okay, let me start with, she also started very clearly with saying some waste pickers have asked for, some people who are doing doorstep collection of waste are not getting enough money from the waste when they're going around house to house, and they're not getting enough money from the societies who are paying them, so they're leaving the work and they're not continuing it. Now incidentally, that's another thing which I didn't discuss with you then when we spoke. Over the past 2 years, 1.5 years, we've been working very closely with the municipality to integrate waste pickers in this doorstep collection. In the process, we have made a commitment to the municipality, formally, as a group, as an association, saying we are willing to undertake this job, like I said, like a private enterprise. We have faced a problem of many waste pickers not being available.
Yeah, what we would call installed capacity. In a, what one would call installed capacity in a corporation. You don't have enough people to take care with the commitment.
Correct.
Because they leave or they don't appear.
Partly, and also because in some pockets there are not very many waste pickers in the city. For various reasons.
Yeah.
The garbage is not generated in equal quantity,
Right.
so there are some pockets which are not very well serviced. There, the turnover of waste pickers is much higher, and there very often, when you see that this work option exists, a lot of non-waste pickers come forward and say they want to do this work. And she's saying she herself is one of them, incidentally. And she says that therefore a lot of those women leave the jobs. They're not traditional waste pickers. They take this work up in the hope they'll get something. They don't recycle all the waste. So they don't know the full value of the waste either, and they're not getting enough money either from the waste or from the citizens' fee.
They're just looking for survival.
Right, and they end up leaving, and she thinks it doesn't therefore work for them. And so she feels at least they are definitely asking for option B. So back to what I said, what do you want?
Yeah, once again, talking on behalf of those women that are like parachuting on waste pickers.
Okay. So I said, but what do you want again?
Like you, yeah.
So then I just clarified because I did think that she has not really waste picked. So she said, no, I agree with what the other two said. So I said, no, I don't want you to
agree and adhere.
Yeah, because I really genuinely believe she is just adhering, because in the pocket where she works, she also probably gets a very, very low wage. And there are a number of this category of workers who are not waste pickers, who are doorstep collectors of waste, who have just got integrated in this whole mode, who are making less than they need to survive, and are just doing it in the hope that someday that will improve. Now she is saying, which is also possible, that maybe they're not expecting to be absorbed in the municipality, but what they're hoping for is at least a very basic conditions for this enterprise to work, which is having conditions of buckets which are in better condition, ensuring that the hand carts are available on time, that repair, wear and tear. For them to offer a doorstep collection service, they need equipment. And even the equipment is not provided. So she's saying, I think it's more an issue of people not even having that. I think if all that is there, and they're not still employed, if the tools of trade are firmly with them, they will still, and she certainly thinks...
She would go with A.
Yeah.
So the reason why so basically I could summarize, please tell me if I'm right or wrong, that the reason why she would be attracted to B is because they have the capital to provide for the trash cans, for, like for the equipment. But if they would have the capital, that she would prefer to go.
She is saying that she's anyway with A. She's trying to deny that she was with B at all. But she's saying there are women who are with B, but even they would go with A if they knew that capital were available.
Okay.
The other thing is that, of course, all these people who are sitting here are in a way leaders.
Yeah, of
So,
course.
so when they speak, they sometimes try to make a distinction between what they say.
That's very beautiful. They all
That's-
try to
yeah.
say like the major
I
trend
understand
is
this, but I mean, I think the women are saying this, and we have to recognize that, and so on.
Very
which is,
good.
yeah.